So today I'm sharing a book with you, one of my favorite. It is The New 1 Minute Manager. It's talk about the human resources. It's talk about the how the human resource is very important to us for the companies. And this is the book, The 1 Minute Manager. I will share some quotes with you in the caption. The new 1 minute manager symbols a clock face showing 1 minute कि कम से कम मैनेजर्स जो हैं, जो लीडर्स हैं, जो टीम लीड हैं, कम से कम वो 1 मिनट निकालें और जो लोग जिनके साथ वो काम करते हैं उनसे पूछें कि आपकी क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, उनके साथ डिस्कशन किए. दैट each of us to take a minute out of our day to look into the faces of the people we lead and manage. Thank you.